Section 6, Data Visualization in R. Now we turn to the subject of how graphical information should be presented. The best writer by far I've found on the subject is Edward Tufte. His book, Visual Display of Quantitative Information, is a must-read for anyone who wants to use graphics effectively. He has written a few more books which expand on the subject a bit, but this one is the key. Those of you who are familiar with Tufte's work are probably nodding your heads. Those who aren't should be. I found an extended excerpt on the internet. Here's the URL. This reading is fairly long. If you need to skip, be sure at least to read the first and last pages and the description of Minard's Napoleon graphic on pages 40 and 41. Otherwise, dip through as you like. Other highlights include Dr. John Snow's map of London, which led to the discovery of what causes cholera and ended an epidemic, saving many lives. I really can't summarize Tufte's work better than he can, so I won't try. Read it. I will mention that all of Tufte's examples predate the age of computers. These are pen and paper graphics. This is because no computer graphics tool can quite match the flexibility of pen and paper in merging pictures and text in unusual and effective ways, though recently some come close. Some of these may have been inspired by Tufte. Of course, computer graphics tools make it much easier to edit and distribute graphics, and they are what you'll likely be using. But as you use them, keep in mind what you're trying to do with graphics, as Tufte demonstrates with many examples.